Hi guys, Murilo or BFB official here, and today I'm gonna be showing the BFB viewer voting episode 16 results. And this viewer voting was made by Kool Kenzie. Even though she changed her profile picture to the winter one, I prefer the purple one better. But I still like the winter. But anyways, attention, this video contains spoilers. If you don't want to hear spoilers and to see who's eliminated, then don't watch this video. But before showing the votes, I still doesn't know why Object Attack Creator Productions Inc. still doesn't know me. But anyways, we got 54 votes in total, with 31 likes and 23 dislikes. So, last time, Jack Back was up for elimination because there was only one team left who wasn't up for elimination. But anyways, let's show the likes. Well, Pen and Tree received 6 likes, so that means they both win the prize. The likes are tied. But anyways, it's dislike time. So, Black Hole, Pillow, and Tree are the first ones safe with 1 dislike. Now, the next 2 safe are Pie and Remote. Now it's down to the final 3. Bottle, Light, and Pan. 2 of them got 4 votes, while the other one got 8 votes. Well, let's show the votes. So, Bottle and Pan are the last ones safe with 4 dislikes, while Light, you are eliminated with 8 dislikes. Wow, she got eliminated twice.